welcome back to another video. Today we will be solving this problem which is known as kth largest element in an array. So what problem states? So the problem states that we have to return the kth largest element in the array. So let's assume k is equal to 2. So we have to return the second largest element in the array. Okay, so how we can do that? Of course, the first solution that comes to our mind is by sorting. So we can use any type of sort, quick sort or merge sort, and we can return the second element from that array, and that will be easy, right? But in question it states that you have to solve this without using sorting. Okay, so now how you can do that, right? So in this solution what we can do, we can just use priority queue. So what is a priority queue? So priority queue is like a heap which is so there are two types of priority queue, min heap and max heap. So what min heap does, let's assume that we have a tree, and let's assume we have some elements like just 1, 2 and 3. So the min heap form and max heap form, let me just explain. So the min heap and the max heap. So the min heap form of this tree representation will be 1, 2 and 3, right? And the max heap form of this will be 3 will be at top and 2 and 1 will be at bottom, right? So this will be min heap and max heap form. So in min heap, just remember that minimum element will always be at top, and in max heap, max element will always be at peak, right? So this is known as peak element, right? Peak. Okay, so let's continue with the question now. So let's assume that we are given this array 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4. So the array is 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, and we have to return the second largest element, right? So what we will do, we will use the min heap priority queue, and in Java by default the implementation of heap is min heap. So we can leverage that. So what we will do, we will have a condition where we will be adding the kth elements into the queue, right? So we will add this. Let me just write the index as well. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first we will add less than 2k elements, which are 2, or let's assume that we will add 2 elements in the min heap. So this will be our heap. Let's assume it's like a bucket. So after adding this 2 element, it will be stored something like this, 2 and 3. Then we will loop through elements which are from k to end of the array, right? So we will loop through 2 to 5 index, and we will check if the current peak element, this is the peak element, is the current peak element greater than the array of ith element. Okay, so let's assume this is the array, and we will check if it is greater than the current peak element. We will just pop this, or in priority queue it's known as pool. So we'll just pop this out and replace it with the current element, right? So first we will check with this element. Is it greater than the current peak element? It's not. So we'll move to next. Is this element greater than the current peak element? It is. So what we will do, we will replace it with 5, and again this will get sorted. So we will have it something like 3 and 5, right? Now 3 is our peak element. Now we will check again with the next element. Is it greater than the current peak element? Of course it is. So we will replace it with 6. So again it will get sorted. So 5 and 6. We will check with the next element. Is it greater than the current peak element? It is not, right? So what we will do, at the end of the loop, we will just return the current peak element, right? So we will return 5. So 5 is our answer. 5 is the second largest element in the array. Yeah, so as you can see, we got the output as 5. So this is how we can leverage min heap queue to get the kth largest element. Okay, so as you can see, what we have done, we have stored only 2 items in the heap, and After that, we keep on adding other elements in the array by certain condition, and if it and if, when we add the element, it gets sorted, right? So it is getting sorted, and then at the last we get the current kth largest element, right? Yeah. uh, so let's go to the code part. So as you can see, I've implemented the priority queue in Java, priority queue type of integer, and we have used this loop, which is I equal to 0, I less than k. So it will add the initial k elements, which are 3 and 2 in the array, in the priority queue, and then we are looping through remaining elements, which are from k to the last last element. And if nums of I is greater than the priority queue dot peak, so if it is greater than the current peak element, we will just pull that element out and add the current nums of I, right? And after this loops get finished, we will just return the priority queue dot peak, so current peak element. So yeah, that's it. So let's try submitting this. Yeah, so as you can see, it got accepted. Thank you.